So I told my friends to get here early from 7 a.m. You can't give black people the right timings because they are going to be late. It is now 7:56. No sign of the two of them. I am not a professional. They are definitely not professionals. So it's basically we doing it ourselves, our DIY project. How to, linoleum a roof and painting it over. Alright, so got two different types of white paint, the flat emulsion for the ceiling and the bone white for the walls. The ugly green wall. Can't work without proper equipment. We have our paint roller, measuring tape, sandpaper. Painters tape, the whole works. This video will take on a more voiceover type of format. If you are new to my channel, this is the space where we do DIY projects, talk about health, wealth, fitness, and foods. Since my friends are taking forever to arrive, I started the clearing out process myself. I have been searching high and low, far and wide for white linoleum or white with minimal amount of design on it, because I do not like how the roof looks, with the ply and the nail and the whatever. It's not evenly toned for me. So I decided I'm going to paint it over. But then I said, the paint will still show the inconsistencies. So it's alright then. Seeing as I cannot get the white linoleum, what I'm going to do is buy regular linoleum, flip it, put the shiny side to the roof, and then the black matting part, I'll just paint that. I'm gonna finally reach. Can you imagine? How much I clock me out with it? How far have I come from?
Where am I come from? I live far.
Remember, good man tell you I read don't bother come.
Alright, we can't talk about it.
Getting rid of all the dust from the wall so the paint job will be easier. Yeah, I can use it.
You can't staple.
Yeah, I can staple man.
You have tip toe. Not even a tip toe.
You can't staple man. I know you keep hearing me saying linoleum in the video, but it is really vinyl. Vinyl sheet. But in Jamaica we call all materials like that linoleum. But really there's a difference. Linoleum is more expensive, durable, and vinyl, just like the one that I have, is cheaper, more accessible, and easier for dummies like me to do projects like these. I have a slight OCD when it comes to measuring and cutting. Everything has to be even, on point, pristine. Take my own sweet time, not to butcher it like how Hamo wanted me to do it. What DIY projects, do-it-yourself projects, are you working on at home? Would you like to attempt this project? Let me know in the comment section below. Read finally reached. After 11 a.m. people. After 11. You see, the method we use is a bit unique. I initially thought glue would do the trick, but then I realized it might be a little bit messy. So we went with stapling instead. You see with dash stapling and sealing, you see?
You want me to leave you? 2, 3, go! She finally shot one. She nearly shot it good, couldn't it?
Alright,
shoot.
As you can see, little work I go on. Work is happening. Half the ceiling is done.
Yo, you say you're too close to that job, see what this up. What this is.
So you not go pull out nothing again? Catch it? So if I go pull out that one, then I'm going. See? Like this one. That's over there. Jesus. The bulk of the work is almost done.
Oh, fuck.
Lord God. See the material, my linoleum. Oh, sorry, I mean my vinyl. I measured the floor, got the square footage, go to the nearest hardware store. In my case, it was Azan's. And with that information, they were able to determine how much vinyl I need. The vinyl heavy. I have to use the broom team and hold it up. Can you imagine not even halfway through and them talk about them hungry? After them reach late. So we go look food. Me? Cup of steamed veggies. Mount a staple in this one ceiling. The staples that were used are T50 genuine staples, 40mm.
This is a one-man job because of one stick. Jesus.
Thank God. Painting start.
What's that mean now?
Professional paintist. Another piece of asylum.
Asylum paper?
Straight
One
like
color?
One color white.
Here is mine.
So you go right now?
Here is mine. Who me? I never paid in my life.
Allah, yes.
Everywhere this boy go, everywhere him go into that him shirt, him have no behavior. Why him a go on so? Why him a go on so?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, we pay them good money and the work not start yet.
And it being done.
And the pay done. Can you imagine? Yes.
Oh yeah. And this we looking at this.
This.
Oh, this.
Picture?
But it a move.
Yeah, because we are moving, it have
Bloody hell,
stabilizer. So it move with you. It'll be in one.
Is I hope you have this one recording.
No, but one.
Them can't violate me in the future.
See something now every other Sunday.
But you wait out. When I was spray paint still, I was spray it backside, you see. I'm always there steady and some good finger. You don't want to see how him do the corners neat. Thank you so much for watching this video. It was a fun project to do. I hope you truly enjoyed this video. Look out for the one we did where we actually painted the walls. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please massage the bell icon so that you never miss another upload from me. And to all my warriors out there, Godspeed.